Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Red here. So today, as you might have noticed, I have a mess of toys on my table, and I am going to be opening them all up in today's show. We have Mini Boos, Surprisimals, Micro Pops, and Squeeshums. So we're just going to get right into it, and since there's so many toys on my table and I can't decide which one to open first, I have a dice. I'm going to roll it, and then whichever toy I get is the one I'm going to open first. First roll, and we got Mini Boos. Okay. Here's our super cool pink blind bag. We could get any one of these. And I'm hoping that we're going to get Cinder the Dragon. But I don't know. We could get any of them. And we got... we got a polar bear. Oh, he's so cute. Its name is Glacier. Second roll. Micro Pops. I'm going to start with this one right up front. Oh, we didn't get a double. This is Piglet. Third roll. And Micro Pops again. I'm going to choose this one right here. Ooh, it's green. We got Tigger. Huh, we got a green Tigger. That's pretty interesting. Squeeshums. So, the cool thing about these Squeeshums is that they're glow in the dark ones. Who did we get? The first one is a little pink frog. I'm pretty sure this is a frog. And the second one is a turtle. Aw, it's really cute. That was a pretty good pack of Squeeshums. Another Squeeshum. Who did we get? Aw, this is a rabbit. Oh, it's so cute and squishy. Last one in the package. Oh my goodness, it's a little chicken. It's so cute. I think it has a little hat. Micro Pops. Who did we get? It's a double of Piglet. And we got Micro Pops. Hopefully we'll get the Surprisimals soon. I want to roll the Surprisimals. Woo! Who is that? Oh my goodness, I think it's Chip. The one with the black nose is Chip, right? And then the one with the red nose is Dale, I think. But anyway, this is either Chip or Dale. I don't know which one it is. Micro Pops. Okay. Woo! Oh, this is Pluto. I think this is Pluto, guys. We have Goofy back there. And now we have Pluto. Micro Pops. This is Timon from The Lion King. Now we have Simba and Timon. Maybe the last one will be Pumbaa. Micro Pops. Alright, so we're going to open the last Micro Pops, guys. Ready? Who's it going to be? And it's a double of Piglet. Of course. I should have seen that coming. One last thing. The Surprisimals. And this is Series 11. I've never opened this series before. So I'm very excited. I want to get this one right here. Here we go. Oh, it's an owl. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. What's its name? Ole Owl. Its birthday is January 3rd, and its favorite color is yellow and black. We got so many cool things a bunch of squeeze yums, micro pops. This was just a really awesome show. But it's not over until I do favorite picking time. My favorite is the turtle. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys!